The last thing we are going to look at in the PHP echo statement is outputting the result of an expression. Heading over to our res.php, which is res result of expression.php. Here we'll be writing our codes. Since you're already familiar with variable names, this will be a lot easier. So to print out the result of an expression, first of all, we are going to write out the expressions. So open your PHP tag. Let's declare our first expression. So expression 1, 5, an integer. Expression 2, 2, another integer. Now our result is going to be the sum of the two expressions. Expression 1 plus expression 2. So now I guess this is self-explanatory. Now we assign the integer 5 to a variable name called expression 1, and we assign another integer 2 to another variable called expression 2. And here we have result holding the sum of the two expressions 1 and 2. Now when we echo out result on the web browser, it's going to give us the sum of expression 1 and expression 2, which is 7. So let's save and run on the web browser. But before we run, remember to change this to RAS, which is the result of expression. And here we are, 7. So this is very, very simple. We've just printed out the result of an expression using PHP. Okay, now let's take one more example before we round up this section. What about if we want to print out the parameter of a rectangle using PHP? All we need to do is declare the length of the rectangle, the breadth, and as well use the formula to output the results. Now the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 length plus breadth, that is 2 parentheses L plus B. So let's use a comment to explain that. Perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2L plus B, okay, or 2L plus W, whatever we want to use, either breadth or width. Now let's assign a value to the length and to the breadth, and then we'll print out the perimeter of the rectangle. So now length, let's say the length of the rectangle is equals to 46 cm, and the breadth is equals to 10 cm. Now the perimeter of the rectangle is going to be 2 into length plus breadth. Now let's echo out the perimeter of a rectangle and let's see if it will give us the right answer. Save. Oh no, pass error. Okay, so let's try to look at what was the cause of our error. Okay, let's just go straight to the line 15. Let's try to see what's happening there on line 15. Okay, so now I just entered this barely like I'm writing pure mathematics. You know, these 2 in parentheses length plus breadth means 2 times, so I'm supposed to indicate that times with asterisk. So 2 times L plus B, length plus breadth. So that was the error. on line 15. So now let's refresh and then head over to the web browser. And here we'll see our result. Take note, this is 112 because we printed out the first word, which was results. So let's comment this out so we won't see that again. Okay. Now this is the perimeter of a rectangle. We can even make our results more readable by saying echo the perimeter of the rectangle is, and then the answer, or we can put equal sign. So let's make our answer a bit readable. Okay, so this is how to print the result of an expression using PHP. Now I want you to go ahead and print out the volume of a cylinder. Since you already know how variables work and how to assign data to a variable, whether integer or a string character, you should be able to do this. So go ahead and see if you'll be able to print out the volume of a cylinder with the help of what we've just done.